Hi everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
Today we're so excited to introduce our newest innovation to you, the Pineapple-C Bright Serum.
We created this serum to brighten and smooth your skin in one easy step.
As soon as you apply the Pineapple-C Bright Serum, you'll see that your skin looks brighter, smoother, and has a glowing radiance.
It's seriously a one-step glass skin product. So if you're looking for that clear, luminous, translucent look, the Pineapple-C Bright Serum is the must-have in your routine.
After continued use, you'll not only see a brighter complexion, but it also works to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation.
We're so proud of the way we harness the power of pineapple and other amazing ingredients to bring a brighter skin. We use a special filtering process to utilize the entire pineapple fruit. Pineapple juice makes up 22% of the entire formula, so it's very concentrated.
Pineapple is naturally rich in vitamin C, AHAs, and bromelain enzymes, which all work together to help smooth and brighten the skin.
And the electrolytes from pineapple really help to hydrate the skin as well.
What I love most about bromelain enzymes is that they are actually a natural, gentle form of exfoliation. So these fruit enzymes work to dissolve away dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, leaving it ultra smooth. Additionally, we blended in two different types of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C, and 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is extremely powerful and stable.
The formula also has hyaluronic acid, which we love for hydration, but it also has aloe and chamomile, which are amazing to soothe the skin.
All you need to do is pat 1 to 2 drops into skin morning and night before your moisturizer for that poreless, flawless glass skin look.
Because the serum has a high concentration of vitamin C, we recommend using an SPF during the day. And if you want extra brightening and smoothing results, you can layer the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask at night and wake up to better skin the next morning.
We can't wait for you to try the Pineapple-C Bright Serum and love it as much as we do.